What if you would have known the inevitable rise of internet? You could have made Amazon, Netflix, or any other crazy internet-based company. What if you predicted the rise of smartphones? You could have made a smartphone-based brand like Uber, Snapchat, Instagram before anyone else even thought about it. But the thing is, it is hard to predict the future, about what could be the next big thing. But it's never impossible. So in this video, let's talk about how to not just predict, but make something impactful out of the next big thing. For this, we have to understand about what is GPT. And unlike ChatGPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Model, this GPT here stands for General Purpose Technology. General Purpose Technologies, or GPTs, are the technologies that change everything. They change the way we live, the way we think, even the way we interact with each other. They are not just useful in one area, but they change the way the world works, across industries, societies, and many other things. For example, the wheel is considered by many as the first major GPT in human history. The invention of wheel revolutionized mankind. It didn't just serve a single purpose, but enabled the development of countless applications, from transportation to making different tools and machinery, to even modern advances in engineering and architecture. The wheel fundamentally transformed trade, agriculture, and communication. Anyways, let's come back to a more recent GPT, like steam engine, which disrupted the labor market in the 18th century. It was a lot more efficient than the people working in textile mill, agriculture, etc. People were really scared that it would replace them from their jobs. And in reality, it did replace many jobs, but generated many more new ones. Then the internet came in 1970s.
What about this internet thing? Do you know anything about that?
Sure.
What the hell is that exactly?
And people again speculated that it would take their jobs. It would replace them from their jobs. But as we all know, it has generated many more jobs than it has taken. And smart people like Jeff Bezos used this early opportunity to create something impactful out of it. The frequency of new GPTs has been increasing, causing the rapid advancement in technology. As a result, we are experiencing a new GPT every decade. And today, we are experiencing the rise of a new GPT, which, as you can guess, is artificial intelligence. And if you're noticing a pattern here, people are again scared that it might take their job, it might replace them. Because most people are either too scared of it or not even bothered by it. Hence, you can utilize this early opportunity. Rather than just wondering about will AI take our jobs, ask the real question of how can I use AI to create jobs, create value, and create something new. Because this right now is the GPT movement and you are in it. Just keep this in mind. As the technological advancement speeds up, we will have new GPTs come more frequently than ever. It can be anything from VR to Neuralink. The takeaway here is not be scared, but to learn how it works. Think of the real-world applications and most importantly, implement on it. If you found the information shared in this video valuable, be sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.